Your windshield is more than just a window to the road. It is an engineered component that can help you and your passengers survive a rollover accident. Up to 60% of your car roof's structural support in a rollover accident comes from its windshield. The windshield is bonded to your car with urethane adhesive. If the bond between the car and the windshield fails to hold, the windshield can be dislodged, taking away life-saving support. We always put the safety of you and your passengers first, so we use OEM-approved, crash-tested BETASEAL adhesive from DuPont. More than 1 billion windshields worldwide have been installed with BETASEAL adhesives. We also follow the installation practices developed by DuPont and recommended by the Auto Safety Council. The adhesive that bonds your windshield to your car does not reach full strength immediately. BETASEAL Advanced Cure adhesives offer industry-leading cure times, some as low as 30 minutes. Your technician will let you know when your car can safely return to the road. With the adoption of Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, ADAS, the windshield's role in safety has grown. ADAS applications may include pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot detection. ADAS operates through front-facing cameras and sensors that communicate with onboard computers in real time. The front-facing camera is usually mounted to the windshield, next to the rearview mirror. Cameras and sensors are detached from the damaged windshield before it is removed. After the replacement windshield is bonded to the body of the vehicle, cameras and sensors are attached to the new glass. Before the windshield replacement is complete, the camera and sensors must be calibrated to specifications provided by the original equipment manufacturer. Even small amounts of variance in camera angle can make a huge difference between avoidance, serious injury, and even mortality. There are two types of calibration: dynamic and static. They are not interchangeable, and some vehicles require the use of both. Dynamic calibration is performed by driving the vehicle for a prescribed distance at a prescribed speed and in optimum weather conditions. A handheld device plugged into the vehicle ensures all sensor and camera settings are set at OEM specifications. Static calibration is performed on a stationary vehicle. It takes place in a specialized workshop using highly sensitive equipment to test each camera and sensor to meet OEM specifications. Calibration can usually be completed during the same visit as your windshield replacement. Typically, the process takes 30 to 45 minutes. If you have any questions regarding calibration and your vehicle, don't hesitate to ask your technician.